There's blood all over the floor, so it's not sanitary. There should be an insurance coming soon. There's also the night bus, if that helps.
We have
Line 1, North Page. Line 1, North Page.
That's me. Oh.
Line 1, North Page.
All right, so it looks like they have kicked everyone off the train. I'm just trying to get home here. It is 1:44 a.m. on Saturday, August 31st. And we are here at Davisville subway station. Apparently, there's a power outage north of here at Shepherd Station, and to the south at Rosedale Station they announced there was a disruption. And as you just saw, there was an incident on this train. Welcome to the wonderful world of the Toronto Transit Commission. I was out downtown with a friend, having some drinks, and then it started to really come down. So we had a few more drinks. trying to wait out the rain. I'm just trying to take the subway home.
Line 1, North Page.
And this is unfolding. I'm only one stop north of here. But I think the transit constable said due to blood and unsanitary conditions, this train was going out of service. And we're already near the end of service tonight. So hopefully these people don't get screwed out of going back home. Should say there'd be another train right behind this. But what's amazing is there's been no announcements over the PA system or anything. Let's see if there really is another train right behind this one. If they held it up at St. Clair, it should be here in a minute. Welcome to Toronto, folks, where transit sometimes kind of gets you to where you want to go. If I wasn't recording this video, I already would have ventured out to surface level and made the walk up to where I live near Yonge and Eglinton. But this type of thing tends to happen all too often. I would say at least once or twice a week. I find myself in the middle of one of these situations, and you may have noticed an increase in TTC disruption videos on this channel. Not that I want to make more, but every once in a while when it happens, I do tend to pull out the camera and record it. And full disclaimer, I'm about 6 or 7 beers in. My original thought was to walk home up Yonge Street and do a night walk. But I thought, nah, I'm a little too in the bag. Let's just ride the subway home. And then this happens. Apparently, there's supposed to be another train on the way, and if it was at St. Clair Station, it would be here by now. Where's the announcements? I don't know. This is a transit system that doesn't know the first thing about customer service.
Report any suspicious activity to a member of staff or a police officer. If you see something, say something. The TTC takes your safety very seriously in the event of an emergency. Speak to a staff member, use the emergency alarm on board the train, or DWA button or anyone on the platform. You can
to Vaughan via Union. 2 minutes. Northbound service resumes at 5:55 a.m. Oh, here we go. It looks like our chariot is in fact arriving. Not the end of the world, not a terrible delay, but it is a delay nonetheless.
Line 1 was finished.
What is that? There's a train rolling
Please
in.
stand clear of the doors.
Going southbound.
Next station is Eglinton Station.
And you will notice the total lack of urgency this train is taking. I'm quite convinced I would have been home much faster had I have just gone out and walked. But we might as well complete the journey up to Eglinton, and when I get out at street level, I'll probably end it.
Arriving at Eglinton Station. Doors will open on the left. Line 1 was finished.
I wonder if that was the last train of the night. Yeah, I've been recording for 16 minutes. I definitely could have made this walk a little bit quicker than that if I move my legs. And you can tell it was raining, but it is not any longer. But we are here at Yonge and Eglinton. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. Actually, I hope you didn't enjoy it. Just a little slice of what goes on constantly on this transit system. And hopefully that person got the care and attention they needed. But these streets, they are quiet. Anywho, I'm gonna continue my drunk walk home, so thank you for watching, and as always, I will catch you on the next one. Yoink!